It's 1:30 p.m. and we have a problem. Transportation line chain broke and it bent one of the brackets. This how it should look. It's time to clean it and replace it. I thought we can just replace the beam with the chain links. But unfortunately, this one is not the same. So we will fix it then. First, we have to remove the old bent beam. First side done. And the second too, 2:05 p.m. Now it's time to fix the bent beam and put it back on. Yep, looks pretty good. Now we need a couple chain links. A few bolts to attach everything together. Look at this black gold. Oops, the bolts are short. I found longer ones. This looks good. It's 2:30 p.m. and everything is back in place. Just need to tie them up. At 2:40 p.m. is ready for a test. Everything looks good. 2:45 p.m. and it's ready to go. 3 p.m. and back in the game.